Hi guys. Hey, doing something definitely different today, something that I didn't want to do. Um, I got my cell phone, my one phone, my good phone, all tore apart because it was thrown out in a bean field and sat out there for a couple of months. So I had water damage in it, obviously, and the screen kept screwing up on it. First it worked kind of okay, but it had like that kind of stuff in it, and you could tell it was water and whatnot. Well, actually, I think right there, since I pulled that top out of there, like that's helping the water dissipate. But anyway, the screen has never worked right since, and couldn't use the phone, obviously. Had to get another phone. They sent me a replacement phone, which is absolute garbage. Actually, four replacements. And finally, I said, to hell with it, and I just kept it. Um, but I wanted to get the good one working. Well, so, I don't think I can really screw it up much more. I went ahead and was watching some Facebook stuff, and, or not Facebook, but YouTube. I mean, you can tell the water damage inside that. That's the back piece right here where the screen goes. So I'm going to clean it all up. And I got this good old specialist contact cleaner stuff. And yeah, gonna see what I can do with it. Just sucks that I have to do this, but that kind of happens sometimes when. Anyway, kind of a sore subject, but so anyway, but yeah, I got the screen out luckily without cracking it. I was really freaking afraid of getting the screen out, but I didn't break it so far. That could always happen, but get all the contact stuff cleaned up, and hopefully I will have it working again because I definitely want it working. It's a good phone, and it just sucks that it was sitting out in the elements for a few months. But anyway, just something I'm doing, and then once I get done with this, I am tearing into the new Mad Van. Um, Man, I can't wait to get going on that. Bearing kit is on the way for that and the holiday buggy. So they will actually. I just got a shipping notification. So they'll be on their way, and yeah, hopefully get them running. So, but anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you just kind of. You can see the water damage on that. I mean, the contacts and whatnot. I mean, it just unreal. It kind of worked when I first found it, but then I rolled it, over on the. I laid it down on the glass side, on the screen side, and evidently the water that was inside it went down to that, and yeah, just one of them deals. So, but anyway, hell, so I'm learning how to fix the cell phone today. But yeah, we'll see if it works. I mean, it's already screwed up. What's worse can happen. But yeah, it's like I said, it's just too bad. It was a good phone, but you can definitely see all the mud and or water damage, dirt and stuff in that. But oh well, what do you do? Yeah. So anyway, guys, just wanted to show you my little project today. I'm doing cell phone repair, so hopefully we can get her working. So take care, guys. Hope you're all doing good and staying warm. Our snow's finally melting, and man, I can't wait. So take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, I know what I wanted to say. Also, if you guys ever get a chance to get one of these little guys at Walmart, and you ever do tear into a cell phone, God, they're a godsend. I tell you, it's got the little pieces that you slide up underneath, like in this case, up underneath the lens, and you can pry it apart without using metal and breaking something. I mean, this kind of going to be in a little bit of rough shape now since I've used it as much as I have, but these things definitely helped get them apart. And then you got all your little screwdriver bits, and yeah, I got this as a Christmas gift a couple years ago, along with X-Acto knife deal. And man, I tell you, these things definitely come in handy. It's even got somewhere around here a SD card knocker outer. Oh, there it is. The thing for pushing the SD card that came in the kit and goes right back in there. So pretty cool little kit. But anyway, all right, guys, take care and stay warm and dry and have fun. Take care, guys. Thanks.